welcome to the demonstration of our newly developed SPL. Essentially, it is an excellent tool for manufacturers of MCBs. Essentially, there are three tests and certain mechanical operations incorporated in this particular machine, and there are several mechanical interlocks as well as safety features built in, so that operator is very much safe while operating. Lot of pneumatic scissors, naturally we have to take that much care. As we are completing our 50th year of survival, now we are just planning to go our vision for next 50 years. That is century of this year. This is the beginning of this next half century. I believe Mandar will just go step by step.
So these are the three inserted riveting samples. Here the camera will check all rivets are inserted properly or not, and table moves to next station. So this is the second station where terminal screwing will be done and arc shoot detection will be done. After that, table will be rotated at station number 3, which is for continuity and magnetic testing. First, continuity of MCB will be checked. If there is no continuity, MCB will be made on by the cylinder, and then it will go for the magnetic volt trip and then trip test. The next station is high voltage testing station. There will be equidistant between two terminals and terminating volt. The next station is all this will be passed to OK mark connectivity on the all this will be done, then it will go to the riveting station, and after riveting it will go to the station number 7, which will be taken place. Here filter will be holding and placing on the material. And after that they will be sorted for the pass and fail operation.
So now we will see the testing of this equipment. So first of all, we have to come near this face recognition machine. Here only authorized person can do the testing. So now next safety is the light curtain. It is for the human safety. We will start the test. First we have to press the test on. Once the light is green, then operator has to fix the MCB, place in here and come out of the light curtain. Here you can see the actual image of MCB. It is recognizing the rivet, all the rivets are present. If we try to, now we'll try one without rivets. Now we have removed, and this one is without rivets. So now it is showing the rivets are absent. Now we'll see the operation one more time. So here MCB is loaded in the off condition. Now screwing has started. Now MCB has gone to the continuity and magnetic test. It will first sense the continuity. Continuity is not there, then it will switch on the MCB, then do the whole test, then do the trip test. Now trip test is complete. It has gone to the HV test. Now it is doing HV between terminals and terminals to body. Next is optional pass punching. If pass mark is optional provided, then it has done the riveting. Now it has gone to the pick and place and it has placed it on the conveyor and it is going to the pass bay.
now we will take a look at test screen.